Watch out for them raccoons.
The next morning, we woke up early to go check out the sunrise. It was pretty cloudy, so we didn't really get much of a beautiful view, but it was still cool. Jordan just started to build a little sand castle. It started getting pretty warm, so then we went back to the car to change into our beach outfits. This is where we slept. It looks really nice, but at night it was scary. Oh, and then we saw this guy doing push-ups. Got Jordan a pina colada. He was living his best life. And then we went back to the beach and I just read a little bit and Jordan just took a little nap. And it was honestly a very nice beach day.
Good morning, guys. We are here in Florida. We're at a rest stop. This is where we slept last night. We went to the beach yesterday and then we showered and we cooked dinner. It is Sunday. It's Super Bowl Sunday. So we haven't decided yet if we're gonna go to a bar to watch the game or if we are going to just try to watch it on the tablet. So we'll see.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Alright guys, so we spent hours at Starbucks, but our Jackery is 100% now. And now we are on our way to Buffalo Wild Wings because like I mentioned before, it's Super Bowl Sunday, so we're going to try to watch the game. Hopefully we get a table or we get seats at the bar, and yeah. Go Chiefs! I'm kidding. Wow. Super Bowl hasn't even started yet, and we're here at Buffalo Wild Wings, and people are already arguing. And what are they arguing about?
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift.
Like loud arguing.
Loud arguing, like cussing, raising their voices, like getting dirty looks from like the employees, like should we kick them out or not? And they're sitting next to each other.
Got woke up by the rooster. Not even kidding. Happy Valentine's Day. Listen, Krispy Kreme is not like a regular donut place. You can't just have one or two. They're like hollow inside, like nothing's inside. It's not like a big, thick glazed donut. No, you could eat 6 of these and it would be equivalent to like 2 donuts at your local donut shop. Right? Look at those.
There's no reason why someone needs a dozen donuts.
Yeah, but
I let him have 3 donuts. Did you feel good after eating 3 donuts?
I felt fine. I felt fine. Could have had 3 more.
Yeah, right. sunrise, guys. Look at all these people that park here overnight. We are at... Oh, I always forget the name of this place. We are in Hollywood, Florida. We are near Miami, and I think we're heading towards Miami tonight. Not sure yet. We're just trying to find a place to sleep, and that will determine what we're doing tomorrow. So, also I just got this shirt today at Ross for $5. And also I just got Jordan that shirt for $7, I think. $7 or $8. Today was a great day because I saw my favorite YouTuber in person. I didn't say anything, we didn't record it or anything. It was just, we saw her right there and then she left. And Jordan and I were just sitting there like, oh my gosh, that's my favorite YouTuber right there. But anyway, it was a great day.
Biscuits. Burnt biscuits.
Jesus. This one's gonna be good though, guys. Look at that.
It's like a golden brown.
Goodbye, Bass Pro.
You almost said Cracker Barrel.
No, I did not. So, Jordan and I have been here. This is what, our 4th night, you said, Jordan?
Yes.
And Jordan says he's ready to move on. So, the reason why we're struggling is because we're near Miami and there's not a lot of Cracker Barrels. There's not a lot of Walmarts that allow overnight parking. There's not even rest stops, guys, and let alone camping nearby. So we've kind of just been hanging out here. But today, we'll see what happens. We'll let you know where we sleep tonight. Right now, we're going to a Target because I have to pee, and I refuse to pee at Bass Pro Shop because I feel like the employees like know who I am. So I don't want to go back in there and walk out and then be like, wow, this girl's still here. We are in Miami. Alright guys, I know it's kind of dark, but this is where we're staying tonight. It is a parking lot for the beach. It does not prohibit overnight parking, so we're hoping that we should be good tonight. We just have to make sure we wake up before 8 a.m. because that is the time they start charging you. But I'm hoping to wake up early tomorrow and watch the sun rise. Tonight, we're doing salad.
I tossed out those boots. No. I have to leave the country. That's your awesome.
The next morning, I missed the sunrise, but in my defense, it was raining hard. This has been our day. Literally drove down to Miami Beach and it's just been raining. Oh dang, it's blurry. Oh yeah, we're at Home Depot. Home Depot parking lot. Is raw cookie dough bad for you? Yes or no? Let us know.
It's good for me. Told me about it, am I right?
You just keep going back and forth this same bridge and you're gonna just have to pay so much. Stand By Me, one of my favorite movies. Jordan has seen it, but he says he doesn't remember it, so here we are watching it. That is not mine. We have been in this parking lot, Planet Fitness parking lot, for a long time, and there is a car that pulled up that was playing the same song over and over and over again, at least 4 or 5 different times, more or less blasting it loud enough for us to hear it. And the song is called Favorite Crime by Olivia Rodrigo. It's really sad, and so I just get a feeling that this girl is very, very sad. So she just went into the gym, and I wrote her this note. Jordan's about to go leave it on her car. Jordan. I think I'm gonna do it, guys, because I am less creepy than Jordan.
What is this? All this insulting things.
No offense, but like if she happens to walk out, it's more creepy if Jordan's by her car as opposed to little old me. You know? We don't know if she's coming right back. She might be doing 5-minute abs, like I said. Or just a 10-minute cardio workout. She might be coming back anytime.
Okay, then you better hurry up.
Okay.
Creepy ass. She literally just said that she's gonna do it because it's creepier if I do it. She ended the video and said, "Come with me."
I'm scared.
There she goes. She is so great. Go.
That was so much easier than I thought.
Is it gonna stay put?
I think so.
Alright. Now we have to wait for her to get back and see
we
her
need
reaction.
to eat food.
I want
food. Why?
Wait! Cuz you got me off guard.